Students, welcome in your English class. Before starting today's class, let's see what's the date today. So today's date is 17th February. Today is our second class for letter writing. Okay, in our previous class we have done informal letter and I have explained you what are informal letters and what are formal letters or the application letters. Okay, so today we are going to do applications. Okay, please be ready with your class work copy and write down the question which I am going to write. First give today's date, that is 17th Feb, and then write English writing skill, and here write the heading application. Now I have already told you, like, applications are what? Applications are written to the head of a institution. Here we are going to write the head of your institution, that is your school. Who is the head of our school? It's our principal. Okay, so let's start the application. Write an application to your principal asking for permission write an application to your principal asking for permission to go home in the recess. Okay, so you all know the format of application which I have already given you during your half yearly. Okay, when we were doing half yearly course, then I have given you the format for applications. So we will continue with that. Here, this is your question. It can be anything, asking for permission or for going for a picnic tour or asking for sick leave. Anything can be the question. The format to start the application will be same for every topic. Okay, so how you will start? You will write here, to the principal first of all. Let me tell you one thing. Two spellings are there, Principal, and one is Principle. Both are principal, but school principal or the person is this one. Okay, this principal means your values or something related to that. Is it clear? Many of you write wrong spelling. Please correct it. This is the correct spelling for writing the application. This principle is correct, but not in this case. Is it clear? So to the principal. Now principal of where? Of your school. What is your school name? Glen Hill School. Now where is Glen Hill School? You will write the address here. Marwadi, Varanasi. Okay. After writing this format, this all should be one in a single straight line. Okay, don't draw this line. I am just drawing to explain you. Now here you will write the date. What is the date today? It is 17th Feb 21. Is it clear? This thing is clear to you? Now here you will write, respected sir, comma. Now what you will write here, the body of the letter you will start from here. Okay, I will start here. Kindly, I hope you can see the board, or let me rub it. Please copy this part. After that you will write from here. Okay, I am rubbing this. Respected sir, comma, kindly allow me to go home. Kindly allow me to go home during the recess. During the recess, as I have to go for an eye checkup. You will write the reason why you want to go home during recess. The optician, who is the optician? Who check our eyes. So the optician, OPTICIAN, optician is available. The optician is available at that time only. Now just keep in mind, the application will not be a long letter where you have to describe everything. No, it will be just to the point that you want to means inform your boss or principal about something. That's it. No other thing, no other matter will be included here. Okay, so how you will write to the principal, your school name, that is Glen Hill School, then the address, Madhwadi, Varanasi. Then you will write the date. After that you will write respected sir. Then you will write the body of the letter. What is the body of the letter? That is the topic for which you are writing the letter. So here you are writing, kindly allow me to go home during the recess as I have to go for an eye checkup. The optician is available at that time only. Okay, this much is clear. Now you will end the letter here. Then you will write thanking you. Thanking you. Then you will write yours what? Obediently, because students are obedient. So you will write here yours obediently. Yours obediently. Now here you will write your name. Suppose Manvi is writing the letter or Manvi wants the permission to go. So here Manvi will write yours obediently. Manvi Arora. Manvi Arora. Now this is not over, because who Manvi Arora? Because there are many students in the school and principal might be knowing not knowing you. Is it clear? So you have to mention your class as well as the roll number. So Manvi Arora, your class, suppose you will write here class 5th A. Your give any roll number, like roll number 22. Okay, so here like this you will end the letter. Respected sir, kindly allow me to go home during the recess as I have to go for an eye checkup. The optician is available at that time only. Thanking you, yours obediently, Manvi Arora. class 5th A, roll number 22. This is the complete format for writing the application. Please copy it down in your copy and prepare it for your examination. Is it clear? One more thing, I am going to give you a homework, which I will not give you the video for that. I will give you the topic here and you will write that homework and you will send me at my WhatsApp number on between 1 to 2 p.m. Is it clear? Dear students, this is your homework. You will write it in your copy and you will send me the pic between 1 to 2 p.m. as I have already said. Write an application to your principal requesting him to take your class to a fun tour outside your city. Okay? So that's all students. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Practice regularly. Is it clear? Thank you. Bye.